Hello everybody, today I can solve 3 by 3 linear systems using the matrix method. We learned how to do it last class with elimination method, which was a very long procedure. This is going to be a much faster and easier procedure to solve 3 by 3 systems. Keep in mind, you will not receive full credit on the regions if you use this method for an open response equation, but you would if it's multiple choice. And to be honest, it would be very foolish to do the entire elimination procedure for a multiple choice question when you can do matrix method, which we're about to learn right now. So matrix method is completely in the calculator. And in order to do matrix method, x, y, z equals A inverse B. So A is the 3 by 3 matrix made up of the coefficients of the left-hand side. So 2, 1, negative 1, 1, negative 2, 1, 3, negative 1, 2. Inverse. B is the right-hand side of the equations, 1, 0, 7. Now, how do I type this in? Well, that's what we're about to do right now. I am going to go to, let's turn my calculator on. Why isn't my calculator turning on? Try that again. I'm going to go to second matrix. Matrix is it's the X inverse button. It's 4 from the top on the left-hand side. I'm going to tab over to edit. I'm going to go to A. A is a 3 by 3, so I hit 3, enter, 3, enter. I type in the matrix. 2, enter, 1, enter, negative 1, enter, 1, enter, negative 2, enter, 1, enter, 3, enter, negative 1, enter, 2, enter. Now I hit second quit. Now I'm going to repeat that procedure, second matrix, edit, but I'm going to go into B, and B is a 3 by 1. The 3 by 1 in this example is 1, 0, 7. Second quit. Now that I inputted the information, I just need to type in A inverse B. So, same menu, second matrix. I'm going to hit enter on A. Now I'm going to hit that same button that I've been hitting without hitting second. It's X inverse. Then I'm going to hit second matrix B. Enter. X, Y, Z equals 1, 2, 3. That got a little sloppy. X, Y, Z equals 1, 2, 3. So what that means is X is 1, Y is 2, Z is 3. Which value is contained in the solution set? Well, 1, 2, and 3. The only one that I see there is choice 3, which is 2. Now, if it was open response as far as showing work, this is the work that you would need to show, but you would not get full credit. So if this was a 4-point open response question with what I have written down right here, I would get 2 points out of 4. If I just put the answers without this work, I would get 1 out of 4. So to remember this, we have our song. So let's see if I can pull my song up. Shalansky.com, YouTube, playlists. This is Common Core Algebra 2, and this is solving 3 by 3 linear systems. All right, so XYZ equals A inverse B, matrix method when it's 3 by 3. To solve a 3 by 3 system with matrix method, XYZ equals A inverse B. That's what you're typing into the calculator, and that's the work that you have to show. So let's just try another example. Which value is not contained in the solution set? Well, XYZ equals A inverse B. So A is my 3 by 3. The coefficients of them is putting in the ones where they need to be. Like that a little sloppy. I don't know why I feel like everything's very small. So we got 1, 5, -1, 4, -5, 4, -1, -5, -5. Inverse. B is the answer, the right-hand side of the equation. There it is. So now I just need to type that into the calculator. Same procedure. And again, the more you type it in, the more comfortable you're going to get. Second matrix, edit. 3 by 3. Type in the coefficients. 1, 5, -1, 4, -5, 4, -1, -5, -5. Second quit. Second matrix, edit, B. 3 by 1. -20, 19, 2. Second quit. Now to type in A inverse B, again I hit second matrix, enter, inverse button, second matrix, B, enter. -2, -3, 3. So in this case, instead of X, Y, Z, it's A, B, C. That's just what the problem gave us. So A, B, C equals -2, -3, 3. I don't know why my brain can't seem to hold it right now. -2, -3, 3. So A equals -2, B equals -3, C equals 3. Which value is not contained in the solution set? Well, -2 is good, +2 is not, +3 is good, -3 is good, choice 2 is your answer. That's it. I just want to go through one more example together, and then I'll let you practice. Number 7. So, the problem with number 7 is things are not lined up correctly to start. So, let's get things lined up correctly. I need to move the z over in the top equation. You know what? Let's just do this the right way. So the first equation, I need to move the z over. X plus 2y minus 3z equals -2. The next equation, 2x minus 7 equals 2y minus z. I've got to bring the -2y and the positive z over. And then I got, let's just do it in a separate step. So I got 2x minus 2y plus z minus 7 equals 0. Then I'll move the 7 over. 2x minus 2y plus z equals 7. And then the third one is good. So I'm just going to rewrite the 3 in their proper forms. So the first one should have been x plus 2y minus 3z equals -2. Then the red one is 2x minus 2y plus z equals 7. The third one can stay. And now I can just put it in. So I want you to try it on your own from here. So if you can please pause the video, try and do it from here on your own. Okay, at this point, I'm going to go over it. You should have tried it on your own. X, Y, Z equals A inverse B. So X, Y, Z equals 1, 2, negative 3, 2, negative 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, inverse, negative 2, 7, 4. I'm just taking the coefficients of the left-hand side and then the answers on the right-hand side. All right, so now let's get my calculator up. Second matrix, edit A, 3 by 3, 1, 2, negative 3, 2, negative 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Second quit. Second matrix edit. B, 3 by 1, negative 2, 7, 4. Second quit. Second matrix A, inverse button, which is the same button I keep on hitting but without the second. Second matrix B. Oh, that means I probably did something wrong. So let me go back and see if I can find my mistake. Okay, I found my mistake, and I'm glad we did this. Maybe I did it on purpose, maybe I didn't. If you get a crazy thing, it means you probably made a mistake somewhere. I was a little cramped on space, and I missed the negative in front of the 4. So I'm just going to go back now, and I'm going to go back to second matrix edit. I'm editing B since that's where my mistake was. And it was negative 2, 7, negative 4. Second quit. Second matrix A, inverse, second matrix B. And that looks better. So XYZ equals 1, negative 3, negative 1. So X is 1, Y is negative 3, Z is negative 1. As far as showing work goes, this is what I need to see. I need to see X, Y, Z equals A inverse B. So a couple of things we learned from this example. One, don't scrunch yourself into tight areas. You're more likely to make a mistake. And if you do make a mistake, if it comes out to be crazy, wacky numbers, it means you probably made a mistake. So go back through and try and catch your mistake. Great strategy here. By the way, you can use these on 2x2s as well. We just do a 2x2 and a 2x1 instead of a 3x3 and a 3x1. So when it comes time for SAT prep, you know, I really think it's not a big deal to know how to do the 2x2s by elimination, but yes, you could use this strategy. So to solve 3x3 systems, X, Y, Z equals A inverse B. Matrix method when it's 3x3. Practice pressing the buttons. Use this video to refer to, and that's all I got for you. Your classwork/homework is to finish this and enjoy the rest of your day.